Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here, probably from the title and of course from the box, I do have a PR package here from Madam Glam. They reached out to me and asked if I'd like to try their products, and of course I said yes. The only thing I've ever tried from Madam Glam is the gel polish remover, which I use on my toes. I'm just tired of putting the cotton balls and the foil and all that. So yeah, I just take off the top coat and just file, make the polish a little bit rough, and then I go ahead and put this on it. I just, paint a good amount on there, and then you let it set for like it says 5 minutes on here, but I do like 5 to 7 minutes, and then you can just scrape the polish off. So yeah, I definitely recommend that. It's an excellent product. So yeah, I was able to choose 3 colors, and so I haven't even opened it yet. Yeah, if my voice sounds a little weird, I don't know, I don't have a cold. I think it's just allergies. Alright, so yeah, the packaging is just gorgeous. The black and gold, it's just so classy. And it says, "Hello Glamorous." And then, so yeah, Madam Glam products are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. So if you have any type of allergies, these are perfect to use. They don't contain any toxic chemicals either, which is great, and they're also great for the environment too. So yeah, just so great to have such a clean option for a gel polish. So yeah, we'll go ahead and take a look here. So yeah, I was able to pick 3 polishes, and then they were going to send a top coat, a base coat, and then a little LED light. So yeah, we get these little cards here. I don't see the LED light. I'll go ahead and email them, and because yeah, I was supposed to get a little light, so but it's no big deal. So yeah, this just says for regular soak off gels how to apply them, and then yeah, it just says again, the cruelty free, palm oil free, 21 free, and vegan. So yeah, I got the they sent a soak off top coat. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like it. It's not too thick and very good consistency. And then I'll go ahead and show, this is the base coat. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I don't like really thick base coats, so this looks perfect. So yeah, originally I did pick the Candy Pop shade, which came in the new collection they have, but unfortunately she emailed me that it was sold out. So she told me she picked this one, and this is called Builder Coral. It's actually a builder gel, and I like these too because they put the swatches on top. But yeah, this is a builder gel. So yeah, I've been actually wanting to get into builder gels, so this is perfect. But look at that. Oh my goodness. That color is gorgeous. I've been so into peach colored nails, so this is nice. Excited to try that. And then this color, just when I saw it on the website, just stunning. It's called Birthday Boy, like I don't even know, like a robin's egg blue color. Super pretty, and look at that consistency. I can't wait to try these. And then I did want a nude, so I went ahead and chose Always Late. Like a nude, it's kind of a darker shade of like a nude, but I don't know, I just thought it was super pretty. I just wanted colors that I didn't really have in my gel polish collection, and I just thought all these colors would go good for, I don't know, I just pictured kind of like coral ocean, kind of vibes. So alright, so we'll go ahead and get into the swatches. Alright, so I got my swatch sticks here. I am going to go ahead and apply a base coat because I just want to see how the base coat is. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, like I said, it's not too thick and not too thin. Really good. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to all of them. Right, so before we get into the swatches, Madam Glam was so kind enough to give me a code to share with you all. You can get 30% off if you use my code. I'll put it up on the screen, but it's Sandra 30_1. And there's also a link. I'll put that in the description box. This link will take you directly to the website, and then it will automatically activate the code. So yeah, when you go to the link, it says it'll activate it automatically, and at checkout, you can choose pay as you go if you don't want to become a VIP member. So yeah, I'm just so grateful. This is just such an awesome opportunity. So yeah, so go ahead and use that code so you can save 30%, which is just awesome, so generous. All right, so I want to try the builder gel first.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, I gotta practice my builder gel. But yeah, that's really pretty though. So yeah, these you only have to cure for 30 seconds, which is just awesome. I'm so used to having to do everything for 60 seconds, so that's just great. And then we'll go ahead and go with the birthday boy. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh wow. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at that.
One coat, wow.
That is gorgeous.
I am gonna go ahead and do two, but oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. So we'll do always late. Ooh, that is pretty. Look how smooth that is. Oh my goodness, no streaks. Gosh, that's gorgeous. One coat, that's incredible. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat. Oh, look at that, that is gorgeous. Yeah, just kind of, I know they say you need to like turn it upside down so it can level out. Just look at that, how smooth they go on. Seriously, it's like you hear everybody talk about how good they are, but wow, look at that. Geez, so pretty. So this is the colors here. This is without the top coat. I want to go ahead and put the top coat. So yeah, this is a soak off top coat. It's not a no wipe top coat, which is fine. You just wipe off the sticky layer with alcohol, but this is also for 30 seconds. So yeah, this is cool. 30 seconds. I mean, sometimes I'm like impatient waiting 60 seconds for you know, for them to cure. So I like, oh wow, that is like perfect. Not thick, not thin, just, oh wow, look at that shine. Gorgeous. All right, so yeah, I did actually email them about the light, and she said it was a shipping error. So, you know, she apologized, you know, everything, and I totally understand. I mean, I'm just so grateful for this opportunity. So yeah, it just was a shipping error, and so yeah, no big deal. The products are just, I mean, amazing. But yeah, she got back to me super quick. I emailed, and then, I mean, within a few minutes, she got right back to me. So that's awesome, awesome. All right, so yeah, there is a little bit of that sticky layer. So I'm just gonna take some alcohol here and just wipe. So yeah, these are the colors here. Just gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty, smooth and shiny. All right, so then we'll go ahead and get into the set. So I went in with some base coat and I cured that for 30 seconds. And then now I'm gonna use the builder gel here. I just want a protective layer between my natural nail and the nail tips. So I just applied 2 coats, and then I cured for 30 seconds after each coat. And then I'm using E-Nail Couture Coffin full cover tips, and I adhered those with the bubblegum gel. And I'm just going in with a layer of the base coat, and then I cure that for 30 seconds. I'm going to be using the Birthday Boy color here. I'm going to be applying that to all the nails. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in, I did 2 coats of that, and then I cured each coat for 30 seconds, and then I am going in with the top coat. Alright, so this is kind of the practice nail I was working on. So the ring finger and the index finger, I'm going to use this brown. And I'm just trying to create like a sandy beach effect, I guess. So the lines, I'm not making them perfect because I'm going to go in and apply some gold seashells along that line, so it doesn't matter if it's perfect or not. So I did go in with 2 coats, and like I said, I do cure each coat for 30 seconds, and then I'm just doing the same thing to the ring finger. Then I'm going to apply some top coat just to the nails that I have the brown polish. So I'm just taking some of the rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to be applying 2 different sizes of these gold little seashells. And then I go in and apply a little bit of the rhinestone gel, and I'm putting a little starfish there like it's on the sandy beach. And then the thumb and the middle finger, I apply this little gold palm tree. And then the pinky, I put a little seahorse. So now I'm just applying some cuticle oil here. So this is the finished set here. I absolutely love the way it came out. Super cute, simple little beach look. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for this opportunity. These polishes are amazing. Don't forget to use my code Sandra30_1. And so yeah, these are just some pictures here. So fun doing this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.